dear viewers, and welcome. Somehow you have landed at Trance Tan Dance, the channel for feeling good in all its shapes and faces and colors. Now, be ready to take off to unexpected lands. It all started with a chakra dance video from an intensive that I taught in India and in Europe. And suddenly, there you were, from all over the planet, Australia, North and South America, Asia, getting in touch and asking for more content. And so, you have inspired me to create a big, brand new channel to share more and wider. Its content? Well, mind-opening, I hope, sometimes light.
C'est vrai que tu es plus grande que moi.
Mais non, hein, c'est que tu as des grandes jambes et que j'ai des petites jambes.
Bah oui, tu es plus grande que moi.
Ah, tu veux, on va te mettre sur un petit fauteuil. Hein.
Pourquoi? Tu as peur quand on dise que c'est petit?
Non, j'ai peur qu'on dise que je suis grande.
Sometimes delving deep, touching on the dark side of death, despair and disease, only to come back into the light. Whether you are a dancer, a yogi, a traveler, or someone who simply likes to be entertained by watching international vlogs, I bet you will enjoy and learn from Trance Tan Dance. I trust it will inspire you to move to action and start practicing. Experience the joy in dance. And who knows, open yourself to the bliss of a trance one day. You will watch vlogs about Oriental dance. A water so blue. African dance. Temple dance and more. Are you vaguely considering taking some yoga? Or are you already a seasoned yogi? You can view classes offered for free and held in interesting settings for many types of needs. Office workers, and live healthily forever after. Breathing, beginner pauses. So we can do a very simple exercise now, which is a balancing breath, 4, 4, 4. 4 beats. This is kind of a universal one that you can practice anytime. For example, if you're in the traffic jam and you're annoyed, and you can do that and continue. Alright, let's start. You will learn simple practices to do anywhere, dealing with fears or strong emotions, and some advanced practices like headstand or chakra yoga. some amazing places around the world, some remote, even isolated like islands in the Pacific, or major cities like Mumbai and LA. You can watch me interview some remarkable people among you.
We can just go with the flow in the sense we cannot always go with the flow because we have to help to the flow as well.
Yeah, yes, that's right. The flow is there. In yoga, in fact, we say that God is the flow. And normal people, like you and me, they share who they are, but also their tips on well-being, accessing more joy in your life, more health and vitality, more intense relations with people around you and your environment, building an eco-friendly house. And then there are the vlogs that take you places. What can you do? You can practice yoga classes whenever feels right. Maybe start with our yoga can be done everywhere clip. Are you an artist? A dancer? A musician? An intensive course organizer? Do you wish to be featured in an interview? Do you wish to share your music for one of the videos? Get in touch on Facebook. But you can go further. You can acquire audiobooks, books and videos. You can take one-to-one appointments to support you in your physical, emotional and spiritual path. There we can touch upon your issues, challenges and dreams as a body and mind person. Think what more we could do for you, what makes you unique. And get in touch with the team for a remote private session. In the meantime, if you want to know what my yoga can do for you, you might want to start with a yoga what for and how clip. Now enough blah blah. Now quick, go check out the videos.